Hi friends, again welcome to my channel AK Motion Animation. Today we are going to learn from where we can get After Effects for practice, and from how to install in computer. Let's start now. First of all, we go to site, adobe.com. We need internet connection for this. You can use any browser. I have Google Chrome, so I am using this. Type adobe.com and then press enter. It's open now, and after that we can click on Creativity and Design option here. One table pop out in this. You see different project list of Adobe, Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Premiere Pro, Experience Design, Adobe Stock. But we cannot see the After Effects in this list. To get After Effects, click this text button, View All Products. So, now we can see all the product of Adobe. Now scroll down slowly. Look, we found After Effects software. After Effects Cinematic Visual Effects and Motion Graphics. Now you click on the download trail button. Then an Adobe Creative Cloud interface will open. And click the install button. Then the software installation will begin in your system. It will take some time, and depends upon your internet speed. Basically, this install software is licensed for trial period, which is 7 days. After that you can buy it from Adobe site. For further tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and watch the videos that I will add soon. So don't forget to like and subscribe and comments. Till then, goodbye and thank you for watching. AK Motion Animation.